Hi, friends at Williamsburg. This is Patrick Bainey from CPDLF. I wanted to touch base with you and show you very quickly how to access Odysseyware, which is going to be the main platform that most of your learners are in. I do know that several of your students are using another program called Odysseyware Academy, and unfortunately this will not give you access to that. This will only give you access to, right now, what we call Odysseyware, right, which is all of the courses that we teach. The first thing you're going to want to do is visit the website https://cpdlf.owschools.com, and as you can tell, the email that I sent has that same information. Your username is going to be WB, as in Williamsburg, admin, so that's WBADMIN, and your password is simply going to be pirates. And once you do that, you can click Ready, Set, Learn, and that will take you directly in. Now, this gives you access to only the students that have a campus ID of Williamsburg. So right now there are 3 students. So if you want to see those students, what we do is we go up to Gradebook. And if you click on Gradebook, that will bring up the main page here. Now, you can search for students individually. So say that I wanted to find Gintner. So what I want to do is just type in GIN, and it'll bring on both of these kids, and I can select which one I want to look at. So I bring up Michael, and I hit search, and now here I can see his courses. And it shows me exactly the courses that he's enrolled in, the percent that he has completed, and the current score. And again, any full year course is starting, for him, in his case, it started 8/29 and it ends on 5/25. So he needs to complete about 4% each week, or about 50% by the halfway mark, or 25% by the first quarter grade, right? If you wanted to find all of your kids at the same time, you can actually leave all the student blank and just hit search, and that will bring up all 3 of the kids at the same time, and you can see it that way, okay? So this is a quick snapshot of what they're doing. If you want detailed reports, along this blue nav bar, just click on the Reports button. And the 2 that you'll probably use the most are login, logout times. And if you go ahead and click on that, you can collect on the time frame that you're interested in. So we know that they started the 29th, and we know that it ends today. So if I wanted to see how much they logged in, and then I can just select all the students that I want, and I can either send this as a CSV file or as a PDF. So if I print it out, or if I go as a PDF, I can see here exactly how much these kids are logging in. So I can see 7 hours on the 29th, 10 hours on the 30th, 2 hours on the 31st, right? Now, those are simply login. Excuse me, that does not mean that they were actively working. That just means that they were logged in. Okay? So that kind of gives us a quick, brief overview as to how much they're working. There's other things in here that we can look and see. Detailed student rating breaks it down, so you can just bring that up. And obviously we're looking for full year 2017 from the start. And again, all 3 of your kids are here. Now, the key to this is to make sure that you come to here, where it says select enrollments, and make sure that you collect all of the courses that they're in, because if not, it attaches each course that the kid is in, so the report would be meaningless unless you attach the courses. And then go ahead and hit that, and you can see exactly when they opened it, what was due, how much time was spent, and the score that they received on it. All right? So this shows a little bit more detailed, but this is a quick way to check and see exactly what each of these kids are doing. All right, so as more kids enroll from Williamsburg, I'll continue to give them the campus ID of Williamsburg. That way you have access to them. And again, this is for Odysseyware only. If you need access to Odysseyware Academy, that's a little bit more difficult, but it can be done. If that's the case, just please reach out to me, and I can get you what you need. Or I'm also happy to report their scores to you weekly or bi-weekly or whatever you need. So any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks a lot.